All right, here we go. Giga Chikadze, Calvin Kattar. Kattar's been out a year. We know what happened last time. By last time, I mean he took a beating by Max Holloway. Oh, Chikadze is coming out hot with the leg kicks. Oh, and Chikadze is throwing kicks.
Man, he's always fell down.
Oh, Kattar going for the takedown. Oh, Kattar took him down. What a takedown. I did not think it was going to go to the ground. Chikadze has
his neck.
Yeah, Chikadze has a guillotine.
I was going to flip him over. Maybe.
Dang, Kattar's 2 minutes 18 seconds in ground control. That's definitely going to win him the round if he could stay on top. Oh, again. Oh,
he could not. He could make him tap there. Oh, is he about to tap?
Oh, that's a... Oh. Chikadze's corner said he looks beautiful. I don't know about that.
Oh, big uppercut.
Nice. Kattar with the nice combo. Oh. Then Kattar's... I don't think he wants to take as much... more damage after his last fight. Oh, huge shot. Kattar. Oh,
it's stumbling.
Chikadze might be stumbling. And this is a real test for Chikadze.
He's got his arms down. He's got his hands down.
Oh, Kattar, I think, hurt him. Yeah, Chikadze's... Kattar's pressure is for sure making difference.
Looks like he's wobbling when he's backing up.
Oh, Kattar going for the takedown. Oh, nice. Chikadze stuffed it. 35 over 86. Dang, Chikadze still has more strikes. Oh. Oh!
A big elbow.
Nice elbow. Spinning elbow. Kattar. Oh. Oh! Uppercut. Oh, Chikadze.
Nah, he's stumbling.
Dang,
Could finish this round.
Chikadze's got to survive.
Kattar's...
Dang, Chikadze's reaching. Oh!
Damn, he's not going to go down.
Oh, Kattar's still up. Oh, Kattar's going for the takedown. That's huge. I mean, Kattar definitely won this round. Oh, wow. Dang,
10-9 Kattar again.
Yeah, 10-9 for sure. Chikadze picked it up the last. Oh, Chikadze's coach said something to the camera. I missed it.
Yeah, he looks like he's fighting drunk.
Oh.
Yeah, honestly, the ref might stop this.
No, I don't think so. They didn't stop the Kattar fight. I mean, who's the ref? Keith?
Yeah, but he wasn't stumbling like he was.
Actually, if it's Keith, who knows? Oh, nice. Chikadze returns with a nice combo. Yeah. Giga's kind of now he's going for the leg kicks more.
Yeah, he just doesn't have the power anymore.
Oh.
He's still landing though, but...
Oh, Giga's starting to get confident. Oh, Kattar going for the takedown.
Well, he has enough balance to stay on his feet though.
Is that Jared Leto's in the building?
Yeah, they're gonna call it.
Oh, Chikadze returning. Oh, yeah. Chikadze can't even... Chikadze's wobbling after he threw the punch. Chikadze's got to find something here.
The ref is eyeing him. Man, he's got good takedown defense though.
Oh, Chikadze with the, oh.
Pretty surprising with how bad his balance looks.
Not really competitive. I don't know what Bisping is saying. It's one-sided. Oh. Oh.
Looks like he slipped though.
He's
Been hurt the whole fight.
Oh. Oh. Kattar. Oh.
Yeah, might call it.
Oh.
He might call it.
Oh. Kattar's down. Chikadze's down.
3.
Kattar's gonna.
2.
No, he's not. There's no way. Wow.
He called it, but it was too late.
Dang, Kattar's. Jesus.
It wouldn't be surprising if Chikadze comes away with 1 round, but
I doubt he does. Maybe the second round. That's only one. And this was pretty one-sided. I say 50-45. Then Chikadze's cut. Jesus. Yep. Dang, someone scored a 10-8 round. Maybe the first round. Dang. Chikadze's streak comes to an end.